Hey again, we're back. I wanted to show you a couple of things about the problem you just did by hand, and I want to show you how you would do the same thing on the computer. So what I did is put the data into a file, and the number value I called RESP. I know you're saying ECT in honor of Aretha Franklin, but that's a response variable. And the treatment I just gave arbitrarily made it A, B, and C. And there are tabs in between. Now, what I did, when you bring in data and you want to run an ANOVA, what you want to do is set it up as a factor, not a string variable, as a factor. And when you do the read table, which we'll see in a minute, that's what we're going to do. Okay, so we have it set up like this. You don't actually have it set up in 3 sets of 3. You actually have 2 lines of data. One has or 2 columns, I should say. One has the number values. The other has the factors. All right. So let's go over to R. I'm going to bring that in and send a file called homework1. And I'm just going to call this fake because it's fake for me. Fake is equal to read or signs read dot table. I'm on the Mac, that's why mine looks a little different. File equals homework1, comma, header equals true, because I had the variable names at the top. I want to construct an ANOVA object. Oh, before we do that, let me just show you something. So I want to look at the structure. Oops. And it's a data frame. I have 9 observations of 2 variables. I have integer and a factor, not a string, but a factor. Now, R actually stores these as numbers, but that's okay. Don't worry about that. Okay, so now I want to create an ANOVA object. So I have AOV, and I use RESP, tilde, TRT, coming from data frame fake. And now I want to look at it, and that will give, whoops, my fault, summary AOV of fake.AOV. And it should look like what you got. And there you have it. Okay, it's a lot simpler when you do it with the computer. But that's what's going on. Okay, good job.